Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1034 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to be trying out the Badescu Mint Lip Balm. So I love the brand Badescu, so when they sent me a bunch of their products in PR, I was so excited. It's like a dream come true. And I was really excited to see that they have lip products. So they sent me a couple of them. This is one that was sent to me for free, so I do like to just let you know that disclaimer, but this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to jump on here and share my thoughts on it. So this is cruelty free, paraben free. It's made in the USA, which I didn't realize that about Badescu products. You can get this at Ulta. It retails for $8 and it's infused with really nice ingredients. It's got vitamin E, avocado, and sweet almond oil. So it sounds like exactly what my super dry and chapped lips need. Like, my lips are extra dry today. Maybe it's because I've been wearing more lipstick than usual, but they're really chapped. So I'm really gonna be able to tell how moisturizing this really is. I also love mint, and I love when lip products have mint flavoring and that cooling effect. So I'm hoping this will be like that. All right, so let's see. Yep, it's a nice squeezy tube. So quick, easy to apply. You don't even need a second hand to apply it. So let's see how it is. Oh my gosh, I noticed the mint right away. It's such a refreshing mint flavor. Another thing I noticed right away is the hydration. I really look for lip products that are going to immediately hydrate my lips and deeply hydrate to get rid of the chapped, dryness areas of my lips. I don't want it to just be something that like coats over the dry, chapped areas on my lips. I want it to actually hydrate and moisturize my entire lips. And this is doing that. Like, I can feel my lips getting softer. And the texture of it, so this says lip balm, but it's kind of like a gel, petroleum jelly type of texture in my opinion. It even looks like it with that slight shine, which I love. I love this type of lip product because it's very easy. Like, you can wear it anytime, anywhere. But since it has a little bit of shine to it, I feel like it helps to enhance the appearance of your lips more so than just putting on a more mattified lip balm. And it does have that slightly cooling effect as well, which is really relieving for chapped lips. So I'm really happy with how this feels, how it applies, how it looks. It's exactly what I was hoping it would be like, and I'm just so glad my lips are not chapped anymore. I feel like this would be a nice overnight lip mask type treatment because it is kind of like a thicker formula, but it's also just a great, like I was saying, anytime, anywhere type of lip product. I feel like anyone would like this as well, so it would be a nice stocking stuffer. I feel like I'm really thinking about gift giving these days, and anything that I think could make a good gift, I'm like, oh, gotta make note of that. I can't stop rubbing my lips together because they just feel and look completely transformed from how they looked when I first started this video. They were so chapped to the point where I'm like, is this product even gonna be able to help? My lips are that chapped, like they were really bad. And now they're completely hydrated. They are not chapped at all, and I'm just amazed. So if you are like me and getting such bad chapped lips these days, I really think that you would like this. And if you've tried it out already, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.